Good evening, everybody. Welcome to India Superpower 2020 Gold Days Award. Online. Yes, this is what we decided. What is Gold Days Award? What are we doing? For whom we are doing?
पे हो जो इम्प्लीमेंट करनी पड़ी just because we have not thought about our future. Just an example. So even though it's not predictable, we have to think about the future.
Even if we are not able to contact you, we are looking at your work throughout the world. Now it's in India. Delhi, Goa, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, Madras, throughout India. And then it's gonna be all over the world. And we have judges from abroad. It is not a question of 50 or 100 nominees. It's a question of good, great work you're doing. And whether you are a celebrity, known or unknown.
रहे आना रहे कल कल याद आएंगे ये पल पल ये है प्यार के पल चल आ मेरे संग चल.
There have been various questions on this. In simple two words, it's humanity plus arts. Well, there are so many dignitaries who are selected, who are being nominee in the first round. Before I talk about them, I have a question for you also. The question is very simple. Are you born to do something good for the world? I'm not talking of global warming. I'm not talking of poverty. I'm not talking of the urchins on the road. I'm not talking of another 50 years, 30 years, when the population of the world will double up. But I'm concerned to do something at this moment. Are you there with me? This award goes exactly to the people who are not thinking only of their own family. They are not thinking of the calamities at present. They are working on a large global scale, at least a small output to do something good and great for the society, for the nation, and for the world. Golden Award is not new. Guess the name is. Some 30 years back, when my parents were out, your parents were doing too. Nabesh, आरती ने एक गाना सुनाया है अभी, कुछ गाकर जवाब देना चाहोगे? Okay?
नहीं नहीं, बहुत बहुत अच्छा गाया. रियली बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा था. इनकी टोन क्वालिटी
Thank
बहुत ही
you.
ज्यादा अच्छी है. एंड शी इज रियली प्रीटी. एंड अगर मैं इन पे ही कोई डेडिकेट करूं तो
Nabesh,
ये थोड़ा
don't
हटके हो जाएगा,
forget,
लेकिन
even the judges here, they are married. तुम बैचलर हो शायद.
मैं बैचलर हूँ, लेकिन ये गाना बैचलर हो जाएगा, इसलिए
Okay, carry on.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट को पाया है. कहना चाहूंगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ, किसी ज़बां में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं. मैं अगर कहूँ तुम साहसी, कायनात में नहीं है कोई तारीफ, ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं. It was just a
sir. Madhumita this side. Can I finish my answer?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, once again for the question. And I really think that future awareness is very, very important nowadays. And for the future awareness, we do have all the social platforms that are available to us right now, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, everything. I mean, these are the platforms which really makes future awareness, and awareness is really, really very important. Since a bit about my background, like I've been crowned the Mrs. India 2020 in the classic category, the third runners up, and also the Mrs. Intellectual 2020 at IWA pageant this year. So what I feel, working for women, we still, it's not that I'm a feminist or I am becoming a feminist, but I still feel that still we have a male dominated society. What sir was talking when we began the event, that yes, we really need permission from our guardians or from our husbands to go out or something. So somehow we are still living in a male dominated society, and it's not the fault of women, it's how the society has taught us to be, the responsibility of a woman.
Welcome to Golden Awards 2020. This is and this is a beautiful evening. The second day of Diwali. There's going to be lots of talking, lots of people, and lots of excitement. Are you ready? I am ready. Now, before we start, I would like to take you to the another part of the world where our judge is sitting. She will tell you about India Superpower 2020 and more. Hello? Can you hear me? How's the weather there? The weather here is nice. Here is a list of contestants, dignitaries, and nominees. So keep your finger crossed and your heart pumping. Dug dug dug, dug dug dug.
Hello, participants and nominees. I am Tara Sherman from the USA. I'm an entrepreneur, poet, and writer, and belong to the famous theater, Akshara Theater in New Delhi, India. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम हिमानी है और मैं सबसे पहले गोल्डन अवार्ड को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मुझे इस मंच के लिए चुना। मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, 26 साल की फ्रीलांसर मॉडल, और मेरा खुद का एक न्यूज़ चैनल है जिसका नाम है आपकी खबरें आपके पास, जिसमें हम लोगों की अचीवमेंट के साथ खबरें दिखाते हैं। मैंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से अपनी ग्रेजुएशन पूरी करी है और मैंने वीडियोग्राफी प्लस फोटोग्राफी प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग ली हुई है।
Hey, hi, good afternoon. This is Rakesh from Mangalore, Udupi region. Udupi is a small town or emerging city wherein I work with the IT sector, and I'm into sales management, and I bring projects as well as create job opportunities in India. I would say that that's a value for people over here and get job opportunities. I have worked for more than 5-6 years in this international business, and I would say created 100 plus job opportunities. That could be one of my achievements.
Hi, my name is Samson Slathia. I'm from Jammu and my age is 22 years old and my height is 5'8", and I am JNK UTA deadlift champion, and I want to be a successful model and actor in life, and I believe that there is no shortcut for success. We must try hard for it, and my hobbies include gymming, calisthenics, athletics, etc.
Hello friends, this is Alia Mehza here from Mumbai. I'm 25 years old and by profession I am an athlete who have competed for Musclemania and Jerai Classic 5 years back, and I'm an actor by profession, and I'm a law graduate from Pune University, And since you can call me as a destiny child, because I have fought death twice since I was diagnosed by cancerous tumors twice.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Sharma and I'm 19 years old. My height is 5'9" and recently I have done my first television commercial. Thank you. Cheers.
Hello, I'm Shoma Sen. I'm a Bong based in Gurgaon, Haryana. I'm 42 years old, a wife, a mother, an enthusiast from corporate background, entirely different industry from corporate law firm, switching to corporate hospital in public relations and communications. But I aspire to be an artist, whether it be in feature films or modeling world or TV series. I do feel and confident that I have a good face and strong body language, provided if given a good platform with a good agenda, of course.
कितने आदमी थे
मंदी अन हत्ता मंदी हात आलं जी